What are you doing?
Making changes. Vlog 2.
Like, I have stars on my shirt. I didn't realize that. I thought there was a light. Oh my god.
Oh my god. You have stars on your shirts.
I had a client.
Oh.
Do you believe in me?
No.
Lorenzo, you have to believe in me.
I'll believe in you.
What's your New Year's resolution?
To stay strong and work out more. Yeah. Yeah.
Clean up your diet.
Yeah, I need to do that.
Do better in school. No
Yeah.
fights.
Can't promise.
What's going on, guys? It is Tuesday, about 8 p.m. About to leave the gym. Just finished for the day. This morning I had a Fit 45 live class, 5:30 a.m. and then I came back for a 4 p.m. CrossFit class. Before that, I worked out, and then I have the kids lifting class. I was asking them what their New Year's resolutions were. What is your New Year's resolution?
To work out more. Yeah.
Yeah? Because today was a struggle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing. I mean,
What's your New Year's resolution?
sleep in.
Have friends.
No, I have like an internal clock that always wakes me up, where it's
What time
my
is that?
alarm or my mom waking me up. 7.
All right, next.
Get buff.
Get buff. How are you gonna do that?
Work out.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Alberto,
Herbert.
what's your New Year's resolution?
Be strong.
Pretty happy to hear that all the kids want to get stronger and more fit this year, which is a perfect time to start them young, teaching them more about nutrition, how to eat well, and then fitness so that they stay on that path for the rest of their life. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. See, I did it. Day 3 of a video. And I'll see you guys later. Mwah.